Hi guys, we are going to see how to make a website, and for this we are going to use three steps, right? First is to buy domain, which is we are going to show now, and then the two steps will be to put the website as a HTML file, simple one, and then how to deploy it. So those three we are going to do. So before that, we have to buy a domain. Now, what is a domain? So like you do google.com, right? So let's do google.com. Right, so this is a domain, right? This is a domain. Now what we need is a company website. So there are a few companies like Big Rock, and then I think there is a GoDaddy is also there. So if I click over here, GoDaddy is here now, and Big Rock will be somewhere down here. Okay, and I think there is another one, Hostinger. Okay, let's compare all three. So I'm creating this website for one of my friend, okay, who wanted to buy a domain and all this thing. So I said, let me create for you, and he want to go with Go Happy Trails. Okay, so this is the name he want to buy or create a website on this one. I'm not associated with this website, but just assisting him. Rupees. Okay, so this is still in when and where can I claim deal? If I click over here, what is this? Level up, blah 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 blah. Okay, so meanwhile go over here and hosting, web hosting, cloud hosting, website. Yeah, I think we just want a hosting, web hosting. Okay, so gohappytrails.com. Okay, so the spelling must check. Okay, you must check over there. Sometimes what they do is they mismatch or change here and there. Okay, so over here it says price as 69 for first year with 3-year registration. Okay, so let's go with this one, 69, and over here it's cost around 949 for first year. Okay, so let's see how much they cost. And where is the uh, one website standard? Okay, so if I do this, I'm just exploring. I have never seen Hostinger. Add to cart, checkout, and in Big Rock, it's loading my cart. So for 3 year, they're charging 2,700. Okay. Free add-ons. Okay. Privacy protect, keep your information. I don't want to keep my information hidden. I will take a risk. And premium DNS, we don't require that much speed since this is the first year. And also no. Number of account, what is this? Okay, it's not required. So total amount is coming now is 3,194, which is like equal to 1,330 something, or sorry, 1,100, 200. Okay, so 1,060 per year cost. Okay, so that is the what average we got. Let's see in the GoDaddy how much it is coming. Looks good. And in this one, continue with Google. Let's use my Google account over here. Come on. Okay, so what is this? I think this is something different. It's not asking for the domain name. So, okay, Hostinger, delete. Okay, so full domain protection, unlimited domain protection. I don't require no domain protection. Start your website for free, blah, blah, blah. Okay, continue to cart. I'm just comparing the price between the two. okay, removing each and every details which are required. So let's select with 3 years plan, because this is also for 3 years, right? So that is what we are planning to buy. And full domain is not there. Professional individual email not required. All domain come with the website builder. Okay, so final cost on this one, I'm ready to pay. Uh, oh, there is no extra taxes. Okay, so this is what we are getting, 2599, which is much cheaper than what we are getting over here, 3194, right? Just validating if that is the thing, right? Yeah. And do we have any promo code? There's some option for the promo code, right? Where I saw promo code. Come on. I have a promo code. Okay. So let's see. GoDaddy promo code. Let's try it out. If it's save. Oops. Copy. Copy, copy, copy. No, it's not getting copy. Like this, I have to copy. Apply. Does it apply? 2599. No, it's not valid. Unfortunately, none of the promo code I worked. I tried for Big Rock also and for GoDaddy with many attempt. Nothing worked. Okay, so let's get go ahead, and I'm ready to pay because this one in the GoDaddy is much cheaper. So I will go with that one. I will enter my phone number. Okay, let me fill the address. So let me pause the video. So once I click save, now it's also include the tax. So mostly price are more or less same. This is 3,100 blah blah blah, and this is 3,100. So 50 60 rupees something difference is there. So anyway, I have filled much of the details, so I will go with the this payment option. Click on the UPI, Paytm, UPI. Okay, let's go with the UPI. I will do the payment over here. Okay, and then I will show what exactly comes after we do the payment. So I got a UPI payment option. This is specifically for India. For other countries, you can use credit card, debit card, whatever you have. So let me just quickly go ahead and pay the payment through the UPI. So over here, the transaction is going on and it's waiting for uh, approval in my Google Pay. So once I approve over here, the UPI transaction will be done and it is been done. So now, hopefully, once this is done, what we will do is we will see what exactly we see over there, or do we want to do that in this video? Okay, so yeah, let's stop this video. For this one, we have purchased a domain. Okay, and this is what we will keep uh, over here. And in the next video, we will show how and where to upload the HTML and from where you can get the free HTML template. Okay. Uh, Thank you. Have a nice day.